When you are done, just go into that space and connect with a slip stitch, then chain up one, so you can cut the end. To make the eye, you are going to be needing a smaller hook. I'm using 2.5 mm hook. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, and I'm using a black and white yarn. So we are going to start with the white, and you're going to make one chain and make 4 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you are done, you close up the space and locate the single crochet and insert your hook. Now get the black yarn and connect. Now tie these two together. Now you can cut off the white yarn. Chain 1, go into that space and make 2 single crochets. Once you are done, you'll connect in the first space. You're going to chain 1, go into that same space, make an increase. And in the next, make 1 single crochet. And in the next, make an increase. In the next, 1 single crochet. In the next, an increase. So continue until you get to the end. Tapestry needle and connect your yarn into it. So for the eye, I'm going to be connecting on the 13th row. So you count down. It's looking like a bunny already. Okay, once you are done, you just go into this space and find a way to tie a knot, kind of. For sure. Our bunny is looking cute. So right now you're going to repeat those things that we did in the arm and on the leg. So we have 24 single crochets, so we are going to repeat it so that we can close this up so it doesn't disturb our back space. Okay, what I have to do now is to make a magic circle, chain one, make 6 single crochets, close up the space and go into the first single crochet, make a slip stitch. Now you're going to make 6 increases, and at the end of this round you're going to have 12 single crochets. So at the end of the round, finish up by making a slip stitch. For the next round you're going to chain one, go into that space, make your first increase for the round. In the next you make 1 single crochet, and in the next you make an increase, 1 single crochet, and increase until you get to the end of the round. So you finish up by making a slip stitch. For the 4th round you chain one, make your increase, and now you're going to make 1 single crochet and another single crochet, so 1 single crochet in the next 2 spaces, and your increase into single crochet, increase, 2 single crochet. So continue until you get to the end of the round. Now you are going to stop increasing because you have 24 single crochets now, just like you have here. But if you have more, you can add more to yours. So from here we are going to be making only 1 single crochet. I'll meet you at the end of this 5th round to show you what to do. So for round 6 we are still going to do the same thing we did in round 5, which is 1 single crochet only, chain 1 and leave a long tail, then you cut the end. So right now I'm done connecting mine, and it's now left to connect the head with the body. Okay, for the tail you make a magic circle, make a chain 1, make 6 single crochets in there, finish up the first round by making a slip stitch, chain 1, make 6 increases. So for round 3, chain 1, make an increase. I'm going to hide this tail along. Go into the next space and make 1 single crochet. Make an increase. And a single crochet. Continue until the end of the round. For the 4th round, you chain up 1, make 1 single crochet all the way around. For the 5th round, chain 1, make a decrease, make 1 single crochet, make a decrease, make 1 single crochet. So continue like this until you get to the end of the round. Next, with a slip stitch, chain 1 and pull the yarn through. And we are going to be working with 3.0 mm hook. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, and 2 strands, like double strand. So go into this space where you just right here.
I begin to